So this is a short tutorial on how to set up your CloudBox and connect the right controller to the CloudBox. So we're at the dashboard of a logged in system, and there's already been a CloudBox connected to this account. So if we click on CloudBoxes, we will see that we have a listing of a CloudBox here, and in order to connect the controller, we click on this magnifying glass icon, and then we go to this new page where we can add the controller. So we have selected the CloudBox to connect this controller to. And then what we need to do is just click on this button that says New Controller. In order to add the new controller, you need two things here. One is the code, which is achieved by tapping and holding on the Help button, and a pop-up window like this will appear showing the information that you need. And what you'll need is the serial number, which you will have to write down. And you can also apparently register the product using these QR codes if you have a QR reader with your phone. But back to the page, I'm just going to put in a fictional bunch of letters and numbers. It'll look something like this, the code, and you can give it any name you like irrigation zone 1 to 3 or something like that. Zone 1 to 3. This isn't a real number, so it won't work, but once you have the code in correctly and the controller name, you can just click on Save, and then you have connected the controller to the CloudBox.